Your guitar sounds flat, lifeless, and completely uninspiring because your amp simply cannot deliver the tone your playing genuinely deserves. Today, we test the best guitar amps available, delivering rich, powerful, and emotionally moving sound that transforms ordinary practice sessions into extraordinary musical experiences. Stop settling for mediocre tone and start playing through equipment built for serious musicians. Hit the subscribe button and check out the description for all of the discount links. Let's get started. Number 5 on our list, Boss Katana Artist Gen 3. Power meets precision instantly. Katana Artist Gen 3 delivers a refined amp experience that feels built for serious players. Right away, you notice the 100-watt Class AB power pushing strong, clear sound across any room. Compared with mid-range combos, this output feels fuller and more controlled at high levels. Custom 12-inch Waza speaker brings a classic British stack tone with tighter response and improved power handling. That means you hear punchy lows and crisp highs without breakup. Evolved Tube Logic sound adds realism, giving each note a natural feel under your fingers. You get dynamics closer to tube amps, which many digital models miss. 6 amp characters, including the new pushed type, expand tonal flexibility for different genres. Each variation lets you fine-tune your sound without extra gear. Advanced tone tools make shaping audio simple, even during live sessions. Controls feel responsive and intuitive during fast adjustments. Distinctive gray and black matrix grille gives it a bold stage presence. Build quality feels durable and ready for heavy use. Weight can feel slightly high when moving between gigs. Overall, you get a powerful, versatile amplifier that competes with premium models easily. Next, Orange Micro Dark Terror. Small size, huge attitude. Orange Micro Dark Terror delivers a powerful tone that defies its compact design. You quickly notice how this Orange Micro Dark Terror rivals larger heads in raw sound. Hybrid design combines a 12AX7 tube preamp with solid-state power, giving you warm gain with tight control. Output reaches 20 watts, providing enough volume for practice and small sessions. Gain, shape, and volume controls keep adjustments simple while offering tonal flexibility. High-gain performance stands out, delivering aggressive distortion that feels rich and responsive. Shape control helps you sculpt sound quickly, shifting between bright clarity and darker tones. Clean tones remain usable, adding versatility beyond heavy styles. Headphone output with CabSim allows silent practice while keeping the tone realistic. Effects Loop expands setup options, letting you add pedals without signal loss. Compact size and carrying handle make transport easy for quick setups. Power may feel limited for larger live environments without external support. You get a compact amp head that blends strong gain, portability, and flexible tone shaping effectively. At number 3, Marshall Amps MG30. Classic tone with modern features. Marshall Amps delivers versatile sound in a compact combo. You quickly notice how this Marshall Amps MG30 offers more tonal variety than similar practice amps. Custom 10-inch speaker produces clear output, giving your playing a strong presence without sounding thin. Clean, crunch, OD1, and OD2 channels provide a wide range of tones for different styles. Switching between manual and preset modes feels smooth, helping you adapt quickly during sessions. Modern digital effects add depth, letting you shape sound without extra pedals. Emulated headphone output allows silent practice while maintaining realistic tone quality. Line input lets you jam along with tracks, making practice more engaging. Power output at 30 watts feels strong enough for home use and small rehearsals. Controls stay simple, making adjustments easy even for beginners. What I love most is how it balances classic Marshall character with modern convenience. High-gain tones may feel slightly less detailed compared with premium tube amplifiers. You get a reliable amp that combines flexibility, ease of use, and solid performance for everyday playing. Next, Positive Grid Spark. Smart, fun, and creative. Positive Grid Spark transforms practice into an interactive music experience instantly. You quickly feel how this positive grid spark offers more features than most beginner amps. Smart Jam learns your style, generating bass and drums that match your playing in real time. This feature makes practice feel like playing with a band instead of alone. Tone Cloud Access unlocks over 50,000 presets, giving you endless sound options. Bias Engine delivers realistic amp tones, helping you switch styles without needing extra gear. Chord Display works smoothly, showing progressions from songs while you play along. Tempo control and looping make learning difficult sections easier and more effective. Built-in controls feel intuitive, with tone stack adjustments and effects ready for quick changes. USB audio interface lets you record directly, making home production simple. What I love most is how it blends learning, practice, and creativity into one device. App features depend on a connected device for full functionality during use. Overall, you get a versatile amp that combines smart tools, great tones, and interactive learning in one package. Our final product is the Fender Tone Master Twin. Classic tone meets modern tech. Fender Tone Master delivers iconic sound without the usual tube amp weight. You quickly hear how this Fender Tone Master rivals traditional amps in clarity and response. Digital modeling recreates vintage circuitry, giving you an authentic tone that feels close to real tubes. High-performance power amp provides strong headroom, keeping sound clean even at higher volumes. Jensen N 12K neodymium speaker adds bright sparkle, improving detail across different styles. Resonant pine cabinet enhances warmth, helping notes feel fuller during live sessions. Front panel controls mirror classic layouts, making adjustments familiar and easy. Built-in reverb and tremolo effects sound rich, adding depth without extra pedals. Rear features improve flexibility, including power attenuation for quieter practice and XLR output for recording. USB port allows firmware updates, keeping performance current over time. What I love most is how it blends vintage tone with modern convenience. Digital feel may lack slight warmth differences that some players expect from full tube setups. Overall, you get a versatile amplifier that combines classic sound, lighter design, and modern functionality effectively.